Octonauts, to your stations.
Protect!
We're losing focus.
Man, I am totally busted.
Victory selfie!
We're here to save our friend from your evil clutches.
Sorry, Tails. Had to be done.
So wait, who called me stupid? What, I called me stupid?
Don't laugh with me, you're ruining it. I ain't interested in your bosom, buddy.
We'll fight again soon, Sonic.
Catch you later, Eggface.
Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip. With the friends? No way!
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you're seeing octopus in the neighborhood, surfing on a sound wave, swinging through the stars. Take a left at your intestine, take your second right past Mars on the magic school bus. Navigator Nostrum, climb on the magic school bus. Spank a plankton too.
Take that!
On our magic school bus, raft a river of lava. On the magic school bus, such a fine thing to do. So strap your bones right to the seat. Come on in and don't be shy. Just to make your day complete, you might get baked into a pie on the magic school bus. Step inside, it's a wild ride. Come on, ride on the magic school bus.
Here comes